Hello students, you are welcome to my channel Education Vasti. Today I will teach chapter 1 economics part 3. Let us begin today first topics. The first topic is how to compare different countries or states. There are various factors to compare from one to another country, but income is the most important factor to compare different countries or states. Other than income, factors are education, infant mortality rate, net attendance ratio and per capita income. Now, I would like to explain in brief these subtopics like education. Literacy rate means who can read and write under 7 years of age. Infant mortality rate means safe birth of children per thousand issue made in a year. Net attendance ratio means presence of primary students in schools. Per capita income is per person income. Here so many factors are given, but the income is the most important factors. According to the World Bank report, the more developed country means the more income and the less developed country means less income. World Bank doesn't include the human development index like net attendance ratio, literacy rate and infant mortality rate to assess the developed or developing nation. Now we discuss what is the income of the people. Income doesn't means earning made by each and every individuals of the country. Each and every individual's income will not assess the real income of the country because all doesn't have the same income. That's why to find out the actual income of the country, one standard formula is made that is called average income or per capita income. Per capita income is equal to the total income divided by total population. Here the per capita income means per head income or per person income. Finally, we conclude that the per capita income discloses the true picture of the people income or country income. Now move to the next topics, income and other criteria. In this topic, we will contradict the above explanation that more income is not a parameter for being a developed or developing nation. Here we see that Haryana income is better than the Kerala income, but as per concern to the Human Development Index, Kerala is quite better than Haryana. Means Keralite have a better life than Haryani. Here the Human Development Index speak about the quality life of the people in the various field. Human Development Index comprise literacy rate, net attendance ratio and infant mortality rate. Let us see the comparative study of the income versus Human Development Index. Here we includes three states to bring the clear pictures. These three states are Haryana, Kerala and Bihar. As far concerned to the per capita income of these states, the Haryana having the income of 1,60,034, Kerala having 1,40,190 and the Bihar having 31,454. It is the data according to the census 2015-16. Human Development Index are concerned which is mentioned below in a detail. Let us look into it carefully. Here also the three states are taken into considers, the Haryana, Kerala and Bihar. As far concerned to the infant mortality rate, according to year 2060, Haryana having 33, Kerala having 10 and the Bihar having 38. Literacy rate according to the census 2011, Haryana having 82, Kerala having 94 and Bihar having 62. Now we move to the net attendance ratio according to year 2013 and 14. Haryana having 61, Kerala having 83 and Bihar having 43. Now we conclude that the more income cannot give us a better and balanced life till we don't have a good records of Human Development Index. Okay, this is all for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.